For decades, Rudd round steel chains and components for bucket elevators have enjoyed an excellent reputation. Our customers have long appreciated their ruggedness, their long service life, and the fact that they're virtually maintenance-free. It's not uncommon for customers to have trusted in Rudd bucket elevators for more than 70 years. Incidentally, Rudd is the only European chain manufacturer who also makes complete bucket elevator systems, with a wide range of traction mechanisms. A typical Rudd service is disassembly of an old plant, like here, where a bucket elevator is being dismantled in a cement works. This line was in service for almost 20 years for conveying coal. The dismantling job places high demands on the installation team because the casings have to be removed with utmost care due to the carbon deposits on them. The first step in the construction of a new bucket elevator is the setting up of the elevator foot. Depending on the version, the tensioning device for the traction mechanism, various returning wheels, supervision and control mechanisms, and generously dimensioned maintenance and assembly doors are integrated in the base. Setting up the self-supporting casings calls for practiced teamwork and precision navigation in usually very confined spaces. Here too, with a difference in height of 60 meters, communication has got to work. Basically, the construction method is the same, irrespective of the traction mechanism used. From here on, depending on the conveying task, there are various drive options, so that an appropriate system, as a round steel link chain bucket elevator, is available for every application. In addition to highly wear-resistant round steel chains, and depending on the chain type, Rudd also manufactures non-toothed chain wheels with exchangeable segments or toothed chain wheels with exchangeable teeth. The chain strands are linked together with Rudd flat connectors to form endless strands. For fastening the buckets, various systems are available. This is where the new twin system comes in. With ingeniously simple handling, the buckets are quickly fitted. Besides bucket elevators with dual-strand round steel chains, Rudd also supplies bucket elevators with a central chain. They're supplied in pre-assembled chain strands. These can be adapted easily and without tools to the required length. The central chain is deflected via highly wear-resistant sprocket wheels with replaceable segments. The drive wheels have exchangeable drive treads. The buckets are bolted centrally to the angle brackets on the chain. Rudd also supplies belt-type bucket elevators with textile or steel cable belts, which can convey the material easily to quite high altitudes. A structure rubber-covered drive wheel with exchangeable rubber segments ensures friction-free drive. The elevator drive is located on the bucket elevator head. The compact transmission unit is connected to the drive wheel via a clutch. A big electric motor guarantees the necessary power reserves. even when large quantities have to be conveyed. The belt is drawn into the casing and joined end to end to form an endless loop. This joint is extremely sturdy and has the same load-bearing capacity as the belt itself. The buckets are bolted to the belt. Rudd designs and supplies bucket conveyors as chain conveyors with an interaxial distance of up to 70 meters, and in the case of steel cable bucket conveyors, up to 120 meters. With its broad range of traction mechanisms, Rudd can handle all conveying tasks. Our team of experts will be glad to advise you.